Here's our setup for painting with tempera paint in your classrooms. You're going to start with a cardboard cup holder, and you'll have a small plastic cup which you'll fill halfway with water. The water goes into the cup holder to keep it sturdy and stable so you don't knock it off your table. You'll have red, yellow, and blue, your primary color paint, which you're also going to place in the cup holder, and you'll have black and white paint. Some of you may have magenta and turquoise as your alternative to red and blue. And you'll have a brush. If your brush is brand new, you want to put it in the water to remove the sizing. Give it a good hairdo. Rub it gently on your paper towel. The hair will come out of your brush if you have a brand new one for a little while. That's just normal with a new brush. Because we're working in a limited space, you're going to use your sketchbook both as your area to paint in and your palette for mixing your paint. So the left side will be your palette and you'll be painting on the right side of your paper. You want to open your paint carefully, hold it gently on the bottom, and then carefully use your whole hand to lift the lid up. And when you close it, you want to press around the sides to make sure it is closed. Once your paint is all opened up, you're going to start painting. So you're going to dip your brush, make sure you're just getting the paint on the brush tip and that your hand is above the ferrule. That's the metal part. So you want to keep your hand far away from the tip of your brush. And then you're just going to start to put your paint on your palette. You're going to wash your brush just by rubbing it against the bottom of your cup. And then you're going to make sure it's clean and dry on your paper towel. So again, you're going to dip your paint into your color. If you're mixing, a small dot of each color just to practice mixing. Once you have your color mixed on your palette side of your sketchbook, you can then use it. But for today, we're just practicing. So again, I'm washing. If I want my color lighter, I'm going to add white to my color, white to my paint, and that will lighten it up. That's important with a color like purple. It makes it easier to see. Continue to mix your primary colors to create your secondary colors on your palette side of your paper. Once you're done with that, you can experiment with adding white to create tints or black to create shades. To clean up when you're done, carefully hold down your tray and take your water cup out. You're going to put the water down the sink if there's a sink in your classroom, or if not, into our dirty water bucket. Carefully press the container of paint closed. Make sure your paintbrush is clean and dry. You're going to put your sketchbook in an area to dry. Use your wet paper towel to wipe down your table as much as you can. Make sure you put all your supplies back in your art box. Make sure you can close your box completely so the cover is flat, and then stack them together with everyone else's boxes so the feet overlap. This will keep them nice and sturdy on the shelf.